A certified mechanic with 15 years of hands-on experience just dropped the bombshell. There are certain car brands he refuses to buy. And if you're thinking about your next car purchase, his warnings might save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Today we're counting down the top 5 car brands this mechanic says to avoid. Let's get into it. Starting at number 5, we've got Volkswagen and Audi. Now, these German brands don't usually suffer catastrophic engine failures, but they do have a reputation of oil leaks, coolant leaks, and valve cover issues. The problem? These repairs take a lot of time, which means a lot of money. Even something small can turn into a pricey bill in the shop. Number 4 on the list is Ford, and the culprit is mainly the EcoBoost engines. The mechanic highlights issues with variable cam timing, clutch kits, and cooling systems. In some cases, the cooling failures are so bad they require a complete engine replacement. He even joked, so you bought a Raptor EcoBoost for nearly $100,000 and the engine rattles fresh off the factory floor? That's not a great look. Coming in at number 3, General Motors. Now, the mechanic admits he likes GM, but he says the company has had recurring problems for the last 6 or 7 years. The biggest offender, active fuel management system and valve lifters. These issues can cause major headaches, and GM hasn't fully solved them, even across multiple model years. Number 2 is a whole family of brands, Stellantis, which includes Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram, Alfa Romeo. The mechanic says to avoid almost all Mopar vehicles on the used market. Why? Because of widespread problems, everything from engines and transmission to electronics and infotainment systems. The one exception he gives, the Dodge SRT Hellcat. According to him, those beasts hold up surprisingly well compared to the rest. And topping the list at number 1, Hyundai and Kia. These brands have exploded in popularity thanks to sharp styling and long warranties. But according to this mechanic, the reality under the hood is brutal. He says he handles so many blown engines, it's not even funny. Common problems, bearing failures, timing chain issues, camshaft wear, excessive oil consumption, and carbon buildup. He warns that warranties often drop significantly after the first owner, leaving second-hand buyers stuck with expensive repair bills. So what is your takeaway? If you're set up on buying one of those brands, make sure you get the best possible warranty package you can. Otherwise, you could be staring down repair bills in the thousands. What do you think? Do you own any of these car brands, and have you had any issues? Drop your stories in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more insider car tips and real-world advice straight from the garage.